Troy here from Adams Transport Equipment. Just going to cover the patch leads that we have available for your modern four-wheel drives and the light trucks, Isuzus, Hinos, that sort of thing. So what they do, the patch lead hooks onto the OE Loom at the back, and then 6-pin deutsch on the other end to hook into the lights available from LED auto lamps that we stock. Just makes fitting off trays and van bodies a lot easier and quicker, and hooks straight into the loom, obviously, without any need for soldering. So like I said, cruisers, rangers, hiluxes, colorados, NP300 navaras, the tritons, and a few others. So very very easy to use, simple and cost effective. So the other end of that, of course, the patch leads is the lights with the 6-pin deutsch and the resistors already wired in for the indicator circuit and the stoplight circuit as well, to stop your bulb fault from showing up on the new vehicles. This is a 280 series light. Obviously indicator, stop, tail and reverse, very popular and a great seller. So it just makes it easy. Mount the light, mount the resistors on a metal surface, plug into the other end of the patch lead, and you're ready to go. Big saving on auto elect fees, that sort of thing, and also good for the auto elects to save on labour costs for your customer. Other lights that are available with the looms, without being all of them, 275, they're quite popular as well. Again, 282 series light, stop tail indicator, they're very popular, and these would probably be our most popular yet. Outside of the 280s is the maxi lamps, stop tail indicator. These are available with the loom all ready to go to the patch lead as well. Fantastic looking light on the vehicle. So hopefully that's helped you out a bit, made a bit of sense. As always, if you've got any questions, give us a call or hit us up on email or through the messenger, whatever. Have a great day. We look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for watching.